Hello, eager learners. Welcome to Quick and Easy Learnings. Staying focused during lectures is essential for effective learning. In this video, we'll explore 5 smart and quick tips to help you stay attentive and make the most out of your class time. Before we dive into these tips, let's set the stage. Think of your classroom as a gateway to knowledge, and your focus is the key to unlock it. Smart learners understand that being present and attentive during lectures lays the foundation for success. In this video, we'll reveal strategies that will help you sharpen your focus and enhance your learning experience. Tip number 1. Our first tip is active listening. Engage with the material actively. Maintain eye contact with the lecturer. Nod in agreement and ask questions. This not only keeps you engaged, but also shows your interest in the topic. Tip number 2. Take effective notes. Develop a shorthand system to capture essential information quickly. Focus on key concepts, main ideas, and supporting details. Your notes should serve as a valuable resource for future review. Tip number 3. Now, let's discuss minimizing distractions. Create a distraction-free environment. Turn off your phone or put it on silent mode. Close irrelevant tabs on your laptop. When you reduce distractions, you amplify your focus. Tip number 4. Our fourth tip is stay organized. Keep your study materials organized. Use color-coded notebooks, planners, and digital tools to streamline your learning process. When everything has its place, your mind can focus on absorbing information. Tip number 5. Last but not least, practice mindfulness. Take short mindfulness breaks during class. Focus on your breath, release tension, and bring your attention back to the lecture. Mindfulness can help you stay present and engaged. Now, let's put these 5 smart tips together. By actively listening, taking effective notes, minimizing distractions, staying organized, and practicing mindfulness, you create an environment where focus thrives. These strategies can transform your classroom experience. As we wrap up, remember that your ability to focus is a skill that can be honed and strengthened over time. By applying these smart tips, you are taking proactive steps toward becoming more engaged and successful learner. If you found these tips for focusing in class helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow learners. Don't forget to subscribe to Quick and Easy Learnings for more insightful content. Until next time, may your focus be unwavering and your learning journey exceptional.